Figure of imshow is too small. I'm trying to visualize a numpy array using imshow since it's similar to images in MATLAB. The resulting figure is very small at the center of the gray window, while most of the space is unoccupied. How can I set the parameters to make the figure larger? I tried fig size equals 20, 20, and it's not what I want. Thanks.
If you don't give an aspect argument to imshow, it will use the value for image.aspect in your matplotlib. The default for this value in a new matplotlib is equal. So imshow will plot your array with equal aspect ratio. If you don't need an equal aspect, you can set aspect to auto, which gives the following figure. If you want an equal aspect ratio, you have to adapt your fig size according to the aspect. Which gives you
That's strange. It definitely works for me. I am using the macOS X backend, BTW.
Update 2020. As requested by Bex, here's an update because random.rand is deprecated meanwhile. This works with matplotlib 3.2.1. This plots. To change the random number, you can experiment with np.random.normal 0,1, 8,90, here mean equals 0, standard deviation equals 1.
I'm new to Python too. Here is something that looks like will do what you want to. I believe this decides the size of the canvas.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.